Hey DUMA family, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate moist banana bread recipe. This is something you just cannot resist making. I make this twice a month and it's just so good. So let's get started. First you're going to start off with 2 cups of flour. Put it in your bowl and then you're going to add 2 cups of sugar. I never said this was healthy. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then you want to crack 6 eggs into your bowl. Once you've cracked those eggs, you want to take 2 sticks of butter and soften them in the microwave. Add the butter to your bowl, and then you want to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 6 tablespoons of buttermilk. Yes, buttermilk, not regular milk. I mean, you could add regular milk, but I prefer buttermilk. Stir up all of your ingredients and then add 6 ripe mushed bananas. Add your walnuts, this is optional. And then comes the most important part. You have to let this batter sit for 1 hour before baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After an hour, combine all your ingredients into your loaf pan. Make sure it's really nice and oiled up. You can use whatever spray you'd like. You can then add walnuts on top. This is optional, of course. And then let it bake for 1 hour. There you have it, my ultimate banana bread recipe. It's great for breakfast or even dessert. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like this.